Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna give you a beginner's guide on Gelato. It's gonna be a print-on-demand feature on this e-commerce business. First things first, I wanna let you know that if you're watching this using your laptop or MacBook, or any other devices rather than the one I'm using right now, a Windows OS, please stay at the end of the video because the process, or the things you see here, can also be used on MacBooks or iOS, okay? So let's get started. Technically, what is Gelato? So Gelato is going to be a print on demand for your e-commerce business. It has production in 32 countries. Please take note of that. So bottom line, Gelato is a company that gives design to products and then sell them. So for example, right here, you have a frame picture that you can put a design to and sell it. And so on with this tumbler, put a design right there and sell it. Same goes with its phone cases, tote bag, mugs, and t-shirt. And trust me when I say that they have a wide range of products to design with and of course sell it with them. So these are the key features of Gelato. They have selling globally and produced locally, easy to use of course, risk-free, superior quality, built for scaling your business, and the best thing yet of course, 24/7 customer support. So let's get started right here on the main platform. So this is going to be the landing page if you didn't sign up yet. If you want to sign up, go to this clicking button right there or button that says sign up for free, connect your Gmail account or Facebook, so you're in the description right there, and you're good to go. So let's go to the website right here, and this is going to be the dashboard. So the difference is you're going to do dashboard at the URL rather than the one earlier, the landing page, right? So with this, I just want to let you know that not all people know this one, but you don't have to spend money to or invest first before your buyers or your customers buy something from you. So in Gelato, you really don't have to spend your money on the product you sell before you start earning. So you can design and then list your products and wait for customers to buy. So again, that's the best thing for the Gelato. It's not gonna ask you for money. The only money it's gonna ask for you is the subscription. Per month, I think it's gonna be $20 or $15. Please correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Now that being said, with this one, the items you list on Gelato can be sold on Etsy, Amazon, Pinterest, etc. So let's get started on this product catalog. Once you click on product catalog right there, these are the ones I'm talking about earlier. You're gonna have men's clothing starting from t-shirt, women's clothing from t-shirt also. If you drag this down, it has t-shirts, tank tops, 3/4 sleeves. I'm not gonna list everything here, I'm just gonna browse, okay? So for women's clothing, they also have the same thing as the men's clothing. Moving on for kids and babies clothing, this is one that they have. T-shirt, hoodies, and organic. Of course, you have tote bags right there. Wall art, the one I mentioned earlier. So you can put a design here and sell it. So phone cases, I think this is one that are trending right now. As you can see, they have this bestseller and Gelato's pick option. So this is gonna be a good one to design with. Mugs is actually a best-selling item right now. They also have photo books. So when I say earlier that they have a wide range of products, you gotta trust me on that one. So that being said, for example, let's design one item, okay? I'm gonna go with the t-shirt, the most basic one. T-shirt right there. Choose this one, the best seller. Wait for it to load, and you're gonna be redirected on this landing page, where you can design the t-shirt you wanna design or you wanna sell. So you have two options right there. These are the photos. Now for example, this is a plain white t-shirt. So first, let's go with color. They have a wide range of color here. So I'm gonna go with green. Okay? So also the size is gonna be this one, medium, large, and extra large, up to XXL. So I'm gonna go with XXL right there. So as you can see, I'm changing the size here. The price also differs. They have two prices, the product price and standard shipping. So since I'm based on the Philippines right now, it has a lot of shipping. So what if I place this on the US? Let me just type in United States right there, and let's see if they have different shipping here. Clicking United States, and the shipping just went down for around 50%. So this is gonna be the t-shirt I have. It's a green plain one. And print specifications, let's drag this down. These are the print specifications, and styles of course will be this one. Now, how can we add the design right here? Simply click on create product. Multiple product or single product, click on single product of course. Now choose product or template, create a template or product catalog. It's really up to you guys. So go back to templates right there, create template, wait for it to load, choose men clothing again, t-shirts, and the one earlier, the best selling one. So this is where we design a proper look for the t-shirt, right? So wait for it to load. So since this is a new account, start by choosing a t-shirt. It's gonna let us know how to proceed with this one. So since this is a new t-shirt, I'm gonna click a design, a logo basically. So you can upload from my device to Dropbox. It's really up to you. So I'm gonna choose my device right there. I'm gonna go with the logo I got from earlier, that I got from the internet. It's gonna be this one. It's an aerial shot from my journey. I'm just gonna wait for it to load, okay? So as you can see on the left side right here, it's loading. It's uploading my photo to the website of Gelato. I'm just gonna drop the design right there. So basically, it will show you borders where you can design it properly. So for example, right there, I'm good to go. I'm just gonna put it right there just for discussion purposes anyways. So again guys, I just wanna let this out there that the design here, the quality, is the limit, or the limit for the design is gonna be your imagination. So it's really depends up to you if you're stylish or you have skills on designing. So on this left side you have text, the files you can upload, the shutter shot, the shapes. Imagine, just think of it as Canva, designing your own Canva design or thumbnail, but putting it inside the t-shirt. For example, I'm gonna add the text right here. Let's just say sample t-shirt, okay? Or sample shirt, basically. And move it up on the upper section. Now I can't see it because the t-shirt is black, right? I can change the color to red to see the shirt. Basically, that's how you do it. Now, you can also click on graphics for more designs, for example, cats and dogs. This one is the L right there. To change the color, of course, click that one. And the color of the logo would be changed soon enough. It's just loading a little bit now. Let's just wait for it to finish loading. Now, as you can see, the logo has been changed a little bit because the design is still on white. Once I click on green, the eyes will be green. Once, for example, I'm good to go with this one, let's just say I'm good, okay? I'm gonna click on continue to markups and wait for it to load. For example, I'm good with this one, okay? Click on download, and this is the one of subscription, the payment I was talking about earlier. So you have monthly and yearly. So I'm gonna leave it as it is because I still don't have a subscription with this one. So basically just have to choose one of which you want to choose from and click on next. Now I want to go back to the dashboard to tell you something very important. For example, I'm done designing, right? This is really important. Go to orders right there, or rather stores. Go to Shopify, and then make sure you connect your Gelato account to your Shopify store. So if you don't have it installed, simply click on install right there. Wait for it to finish, okay? Make sure you have your Shopify open. As you can see right here, my Shopify account or Shopify store is open. And click on install app right there. I just redirected to Shopify right now. Now I went back to Gelato. So it's doing this on its own just by installing and updating. Just wait for it to finish. It's just connecting Gelato to my Shopify store right now. So the thing here, why it's most important is every product you make, every product you post, or every product you list on Gelato will go directly on Shopify. So as you can see right there, you can choose manually add it or automatically add it. So you can choose connect your products right here, and everything you did on Shopify or Gelato will be posted on Shopify. And that's how you do it. Basically, those are the beginning guides or beginner guides for using Gelato. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.